I'm an indoor guy.
Well, but you're a guy.
Okay, let's get the video going here. Look at this.
Fall down.
Look like four tough customers walking around in the snow here.
4 tough customers. That's right.
Yep.
Tough or just
you
really
had it all,
stupid?
Noel, because you got to be away for one, but
Yeah, I know. I'm getting the.
here for one.
Yeah. Look at
I
this.
think necessity is the mother of toughness.
No, it's, now is this Minnesota? We're here in here. Canada. All these cars were totally uncovered yesterday.
It's not plowed here.
It's about 8 inches or something. 8, 9 inches.
8, 9 inches.
Yeah.
They're over a foot, they say. Well, I mean, they say that's what they anticipate. Oh, yeah.